wet, 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 wet. Oh, baby. Just tryna end your life.
Alright, so we about to get in it, right? So, you know, if I don't seem energized, it's kind of because I'm really not. It's like, seriously, I am super fucking tired right now. But, you know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna stop me from doing something. So let's go ahead and get into this bullshit. Boom. About to start. Alright. Oh, and by the way, this is a, what the fuck? Oh, rate me 1 through 10. Rate me 1 through 10. Let me start chatting. Who is this? Oh yeah, she 20. Oh, this bitch skipped me. Fucking bitch. Oh yeah, she's 23. Oh, she didn't. Oh, her fucking Wi-Fi is broke. This bitch didn't even fucking. What's her name? Oh yeah, she's accept. Hey, what's up, Hannah?
What's up, yo?
Hey, add some time for me. Add some time for me.
I got you.
I got you. All right. Hey, for one, how old are you?
Oh my gosh. Well, is he asking me this question?
How old are you?
What's what my bio said?
All right, 21. All right. It don't matter. Real quick, I got one question for you. On a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate me on a scale of 1 through 10?
Well, you kind of like Bruno Mars, so
Bitch, is you blind?
that's a good thing.
Really? Okay.
That's a good thing. So, 8.
8? Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. I thought you was gonna go for like a 1 or something. But thanks.
No.
Okay.
I'm not that mean, unless you just like straight up ugly.
Alright, thank you. I'm gonna add you as a friend.
Alright, bye.
Alright. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, Mo. She said I'm an 8. I'm an 8. Alright. Oh, that's a nigga. Fuck that nigga. I don't like you. I don't like you. Oh, his name was Gustavo. This nigga. Bro, all these niggas, bro. I ain't got time. Bro, no, fuck y'all. Let them skip me. Real live because, like, oh, she's 19. Bitch. She ain't even gonna answer. Fucking skip, bro. Hold up, bro. That got me fucked. Bro, his name is Juice Up. Get the fuck, nigga. Like, where's the bitches? Oh, yeah. She's from the United States. Hey, what up? Hey, add some time for me. Hey, for one question for you. On a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate me? Like on some real shit. Like for real. Huh? Yeah? I can't even hear you. You gotta speak louder though. A 100? Wow, okay. Hey, thank you for that. I'm gonna add you as a friend. Thank you. How you do this shit? There we go. I got you. She just scaled me a motherfucking 100. A nigga lit. Y'all still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. You know what I'm saying? I'm just making sure. Nigga lit out here. She said I'm 100. So, oh, she's from 20. She's from Michigan. Oh, shit. Oh, God. It says freaky only. Oh, God. What's going on here? Hey, add some time real quick. You a girl, right? Oh, nah. Y'all on some big freak shit. Get the fuck, Mo. They on some freaks. I was scared as shit. Nigga. Bro, cause it be niggas on this joint be acting like girls. I ain't got time for that shit. We gonna keep waiting. Bro. If another nigga come, I'ma jump out this fucking window. You know what? Go jump out this damn window. Y'all lucky. Cause I don't want to kill myself. You know what I'm saying? Bro. He didn't skip me. No, bro. Get the fuck. She's 20. Oh, yeah. Virginia. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, add some time for me. Hey, real quick. I got one question for you. On a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate me?
Like an 8.
Oh, shit. Thank you. 8. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hey, I'm going to add you as a friend, all right? Alright, thank you. I'm getting all 8s. I just got 2 8s and 100. Get at me. Fuck you talking about. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Flash Yuri, you know what I mean? On Twitter, Flash Yuri, you know what I mean? Oh, and Snapchat, Flash Yuri, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We getting in this. We got 2 8s and 100. Oh my fucking God. How much is that? 116? Yeah. Get at me. It's y'all, you know what I'm saying? I never asked y'all how y'all day was going. How was your day going? Y'all day going. That's good. Oh yeah, we got another Joe. She from New York. Hey, what's up? Hey, add some time for me.
I'm sleepy. What's good?
Add some time for me. You look good. Hey, real quick, I got one question for you.
What's up?
On a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate me? Be honest on some man shit.
An 8.
8? That's 3 8s. Hey, Mo, I'm going to add you as a friend. I want you to follow me on Instagram, all right? Oh, I keep getting these 8s, man. They going to stop playing with me. All right, we're going to do 4 more. We're going to do 4 more because we on the road. I'm waiting till I get a 10. I already got 100, you know what I'm saying? But I don't even know who the bitch was. She ain't want to show her fucking face. So, bitch, that 100 count. So 3 8s and 100s. Oh yeah. We back. Hey, add some time for me. I got you. Hey, show your face.
Can I ask you a question?
What's the question?
Can you listen to this beat I just made? Hold up. Put the shit on phone so you can hear it.
I ain't listening to no fucking beat, bitch. Fuck, I look like, bro. I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm not no fucking producer. The fuck I look like, bro? That don't count, y'all. Cause like I was about to ask her a fucking question. I can see if I asked her a question first. You know what I'm saying? She gave me a 10, then I would look, at her fucking beat. But I'm not Zaytoven. The fuck, you know what I'm saying? Metro Boomin, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Randy Moss, the fuck, nigga. Like, get out of here, okay, bitch. Fuck monkey. Oh, I missed her. Alright, well, man, that was crazy, but hopefully y'all really enjoyed this video. I got another 100. They like my dimples, you know what I'm saying? I can't show y'all the dimples, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like, please, if you're new, subscribe because my videos be lit, bro. Like, it's starting to get lit all the way up and all this other shit. And like, seriously, all the ones who already been subscribed, I really appreciate everyone who watches all my videos, comment, and likes all my pictures on Instagram and shit. When I get to 1K, I'm giving away some ear pods. So, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You just gotta stay lit with me, you know what I mean? And, and that's how it is. Hopefully y'all enjoying y'all day. And again, it's Flash Yuri. I see y'all again. Bow.